Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. And welcome to this new video on Fetch. All right, your daily update. I mean, I'm not sure what in the end the verdict was in yesterday's video. So I tried to cover Fetch daily. I think most of you know, but if you don't, consider subscribing if you're interested in that. But no, I mean, yesterday we talked about this. All right, we got a significant bearish breakout. Fetch was relatively strong, so especially with that first bearish push that Bitcoin had in the morning, Fetch still was able to hold like the top of this big key area right here, but eventually, and especially after we had that big bearish move overnight, that's really what pushed Fetch over the edge, if you can say it like that. But that caused a major bearish breakout right here. So now, purely technically, short term, we are bearish. All right, we had a bearish breakout. You can see the EMAs are now kind of sloping down. We're making lower highs, etc., etc. But you can also see that, and if you zoom out, we're just back in this in this consolidation range again, which we were in before. And honestly, if you compare Fetch with a lot of other altcoins, this beautiful consolidation range. But if you compare Fetch with a lot of other altcoins, Fetch is actually still pretty strong, all right? So I don't think this is necessarily bad news, but we had something here, all right? We had some bullish momentum. In the end, this was more of a fake out. I think if the market circumstances were better, this could have actually lasted and we could have consolidated up here, but all right, that's the market. And that's also what we talked about yesterday. Yesterday, I did tell you about, if we break down below 2.8, which is possible if Bitcoin becomes more bearish, which also happens, then we'll just get back into this old consolidation range. So that's what we are right now. I don't think, look, short term we are bearish, but ultimately we will recover from this easily. I think maybe if we get some sort of an update regarding the whole ASI situation, so the token merge between Fetch, Ajax, and Ocean. Maybe even in bearish market circumstances, that can actually cause quite a lot of bullish momentum. But that's not the case right now. Right now, the case and the situation is that Fetch just had a bearish breakout. Bitcoin looks bearish and Bitcoin is showing no signs of recovery so far. And Fetch on its own, if you look at the open interest, we're just also losing a lot of momentum here. So most likely is down, all right? Most likely is that maybe we'll do some sort of a retest of 2.8, 2.9 like this. But ultimately, we're dropping down to this level right here. First at 2.5. I think 2.5 can support Fetch for a little bit. But ultimately down to this level right here between 2.3 and 2.2. That's what I expect. Short term, I don't... Look, right now, what's going on is that while Fetch is losing momentum here, and the Bitcoin dominance is slowly sloping up, at least yesterday it was, what happens with Fetch is just very reliant on Bitcoin, all right? If we get some strong fundamentals regarding AI, that's great as well, all right? Then we can actually get some bullish momentum as well. But right now that we have no momentum, which I showed you, we're just reliant on Bitcoin. And it doesn't look like Bitcoin is going to recover very quickly right now. So most likely is this. Now, if for some reason, this is actually most likely. I think ultimately 2.4, 2.3 will hold for now. I don't expect us to crash down below that, but something like this is most likely. All right, something like this probably. So the only way to get out of this, but I'll keep you updated on that, of course. The only way to get out of this is either, so there are two ways. It's either a very strong Bitcoin, so that Bitcoin gets some bidding and that we get some recovery, or it's something around AI, some sort of bullish fundamental push. If we don't have that, this is it, all right? And we might even get a bearish breakout right here down the line, which would be great for the long-term buyers. But for now, I do think we will be able to hold that support. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.